Have you been thinking of how to manage your stress? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that affects so many of us, stress. It's a common issue that can really take a toll on our mental and physical well-being. But fear not, because I've got some effective stress management techniques to share with you that actually work. So in today's video, we're diving into the ultimate stress management techniques that actually work. Managing stress is crucial for our overall well-being, and finding effective ways to cope with it can make a huge difference in our daily lives. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but managing it effectively is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. With the right techniques, you can significantly reduce your stress levels and improve your mental and physical health. This guide will provide you with the ultimate stress management techniques that actually work. Them 1. Understanding stress. 1.1. What is stress? Definition. Stress is the body's response to any demand or challenge, whether physical, emotional, or psychological. Types of stress. Acute stress. Short-term stress that can be positive or negative. Chronic stress. Long-term stress that can lead to health problems. 1.2 Effects of stress. Physical effects: headaches, muscle tension, fatigue, digestive issues, and weakened immune system. Emotional effects: anxiety, irritability, depression, and mood swings. Behavioral effects: changes in appetite, sleep disturbances, and substance abuse. 2. Identifying stress triggers. 2.1 Common stress triggers: work-related, deadlines, workload, job security, and conflicts with colleagues. Personal life, relationship issues, financial problems, health concerns, and major life changes. Environmental, noise, pollution, and living conditions. 2.2 Self-assessment, journaling. Keep a stress journal to identify patterns and triggers. Physical symptoms. Pay attention to your body's signals of stress. Emotional awareness. Recognize your emotional responses to different situations. 3. Effective stress management techniques. 3.1 Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness meditation. Focus on the present moment and observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Guided meditation. Use apps or videos to guide you through meditation sessions. Breathing exercises. Practice deep breathing techniques to calm your mind and body. 3.2 Physical activity, exercise. Engage in regular physical activities like walking, running, yoga, or strength training to reduce stress. Stretching. Incorporate stretching exercises to release muscle tension. Mind-body practices. Explore activities like Tai Chi and Qigong that combine movement with mindfulness. And 3.3 Healthy lifestyle choices. Balanced diet. Eat a nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Sleep. Prioritize good sleep hygiene and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Limit stimulants. Reduce your intake of caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine. 3.4 Time management. Prioritization. Identify and focus on your most important tasks. Delegation. Delegate tasks to others when possible. Breaks. Take regular breaks to rest and recharge. 3.5 Relaxation techniques. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and relax different muscle groups to reduce physical tension. Visualization. Imagine a peaceful scene or situation to relax your mind. Music therapy. Listen to soothing music to calm your nerves. 3.6 Social support. Talk to someone. Share your feelings with a friend, family member, or therapist. Join a group. Participate in support groups or communities with shared interests. Social activities. Engage in activities that promote social interaction and enjoyment. 3.7 Cognitive behavioral techniques. Cognitive restructuring. Challenge and reframe negative thoughts to reduce stress. Positive affirmations. Use positive affirmations to boost your confidence and reduce stress. Problem solving. Develop effective problem-solving skills to manage stressors. 3.8 Professional help therapy. Seek professional counseling or therapy to address stress and related issues. Medication. Consult with a healthcare provider about medication options if necessary. 4. Integrating stress management into daily life. 4.1 Establish a routine, consistent schedule. Create a daily routine that includes time for relaxation and self-care. Morning ritual. Start your day with calming activities like meditation or gentle exercise. Evening routine. Wind down with relaxing activities like reading or a warm bath. 4.2 Practice gratitude. Gratitude journal. Write down things you are grateful for each day. Gratitude meditation. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on the positive aspects of your life. 4.3 Mindful living. Mindful eating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and smell of your food. Mindful walking. Focus on the sensations of walking and your surroundings. Mindful work. Stay present and focused on one task at a time. 4.4 Setting boundaries. Learn to say no. Set limits on your commitments and prioritize your well-being. Work-life balance. Create a balance between work and personal life to reduce stress. 5. Case studies and real-life examples. 5.1 Personal stories. Success stories. Learn from individuals who have successfully managed stress through various techniques. Lessons learned. Understand the challenges they faced and the strategies they used to overcome them. 5.2 Professional insights. Expert opinions. Gain insights from stress management experts and mental health professionals. Research findings. Explore research on the effectiveness of different stress management techniques. 6. Maintaining progress and preventing burnout. 6.1 Regular self-check-ins. Assess stress levels. Regularly assess your stress levels and adjust your strategies as needed. Review goals. Revisit your stress management goals and track your progress. 6.2 Continuous learning. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest research and techniques in stress management. Adapt strategies. Be open to trying new strategies and adapting your approach as needed. 6.3 Celebrating success. Acknowledge achievements. Celebrate your successes and progress in managing stress. Reward yourself. Treat yourself to something enjoyable as a reward for your efforts. Effective stress management is essential for a healthy and fulfilling life. By understanding your stress triggers and incorporating a variety of proven techniques into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your stress levels and improve your overall well-being. Remember, managing stress is a continuous process that requires commitment and effort. Embrace these techniques, make self-care a priority, and enjoy the benefits of a more balanced and stress-free life. I encourage you to give these stress management techniques a try and incorporate them into your daily routine. Don't hesitate to share your feedback or any additional techniques that have worked for you in the comments below. Let's support each other in our journey to a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.